Hello everybody. Today we will be talking about exponent rules and their misconceptions, and I will also be talking about a tip that will help you later on. And I'll also explain to you exponents as we go through. So first, let's start with misconceptions. People might think, or beginners might think, that for exponents, you multiply the base by the power but actually, see, the base, it would be in 3 squared would be the 3, and the power would be the little squared symbol. So basically that's saying that it would be 3 times 2, which is 6. But actually, that is incorrect. It would be 3 times 3 equals 9. You have to multiply 3 by itself for it to a total of that many times. So 1, 2, 3, 3 equals 9. That's one misconception. Another possible misconception is that you take the base and either add it or subtract it or divide it by the power. So that would be in 3 squared, that would be 3 plus 2, or 3 minus 2, or 3 divided by 2. But those are all wrong. Again, like I've said before, 3 squared would be 3 times 3 equals 9. Not 3 times 2 like before, or 3 divided by 2, or 3 minus 2, or 3 plus 2. Or 2 plus 3, or the other way around. Those are all wrong. But this, however, is right. 3 times 3 equals 9 for 3 squared. Now, a tip for a base of 10 is that when you start out, 10 squared is 100. And 10 cubed is 1,000. So really, all the difference is that extra 10 and the extra 0 at the end. So you would annex the 0 and put at times it by another 10. So that'd be 10 times 10. N equals 10 times 10 times 10. Oops. So basically, when you get to 10 to the power of 10, you really only have to count the zeros after, because there should be 10 zeros after that single one. So after you put in the commas, you should get 10 billion. Now another tip is, instead of doing the math in your head and having a hard time, like I just did, the power for 10, with the base of 10, the power is how many zeros there should be after the 1. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 for the power of 10. And that's just a simple trick to help you with tens. Now, squares aren't the only exponents there are out there. There's every number you can think of. But with cubes, say 5 cubed you have to multiply 5 by itself for a total of 3 times. Now we know 5 times 5 is 25, and 25 times 5 is 125, because 25 times 4 is 100, and add another 25 is 125. So the answer is 125. Therefore, 5 cubed equals 125 whatever units. But as you get older, there will be higher bases and higher exponents. So let's say 25, or actually let's do 13 times 3. I know the exponent is low here, but the base is higher, so that makes a difference. 13 times 13 times 13 equals, now I know 13 times 13 is 169, but you have to multiply that by 13. So the answer would be, as you can see right there, 2,197 units. And that is the answer to 13 cubed. There really isn't much to it, but as you keep practicing, it'll get better for you. So just keep practicing at it and keep working hard at it. It'll come easy to you. Thanks for watching this video, this short explanation of how to work with exponents. Exponents rule. Woohoo, yeah!